Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video, I'm going to be doing this video in a bit of a vlog style because I'm doing a room tour today, and I hope you all are excited for it because I am. I'm excited to show you all my room. I would say, you know, I haven't really previewed my room in a video yet, so I decided I would do this today, especially since I'm just going to need a video for this next couple days since I will be traveling. I'll be in Tennessee because I have to do like cross-country race, all that, you know, just I don't know why, but basically we're just gonna be doing that, and you know, we're gonna make this video, get it out. So I hope you guys will enjoy it, and I'm just gonna start heading towards my room. So if you're new, do not forget, subscribe below, drop a like, and let's get started on the room tour. Yeah, that's right. So my room is a bit of a mess right now for the room tour, but we're gonna start it off not with over here. I don't want to show that too much yet, but we'll start off with like the bathroom right here. This is me and my brother's bathroom. So I guess this is technically a part of it. But mirror, it's me. There's my camera right there. It's like opposite, but you know, that's just that. You know, nothing really crazy here. You know, just toothbrush and all that. In case y'all interested, this is my toothbrush. Sort of old, but keeps your teeth clean. And yeah, then also Supreme sticker on the door, and the bathroom's in there. Nothing really, it's just a shower and that. But you know, that's the first part, just the bathroom, sort of chill. Also, you know, we're in the Supreme tier right now. Obviously this one is spelled wrong on purpose, but it is legit, in case you all are wondering. Turn the light off though, because I don't really need that right now. So it throws off the balance of the camera, even though it's not too great right now because my hair just showered and it's sort of messed up, but we're all good. So I guess we'll come over to my desk. I'll just take a seat in this red chair right here. And yeah, you know, first thing I guess is just Bojangles and Sprite cans and gummy bears we left here. Obviously all the snack mix you guys are wondering about. There it is, right there on the ground. You see all that? That's all the snack mix. So if I can zoom in on this. There it is. There's snack mix and all that. Dude, my hair is really a mess. Like this is, yeah, it's not good. I can't fix it though. You know, lighting's not amazing right now, but it'll be okay. But yeah, then we got a book. I don't know why. And then here's like what's actually on my desk though. We have a Supreme Mophie charger. This is dead, but I actually have things to charge. I have these USBs, but I just haven't gotten to charging it yet. But here this is, you know, it's sort of sick. I like the design in it, really sleek. Then there's all like the charging ports and all that. Really good for like traveling and Mophie. And you know, just some information on it, of course. And we got Supreme sticker there. I'm at a skate shop. Rubik's Cube, of course I don't know how to solve one. I think it's my brother's, I don't know why it's in my room, but there's that. And then we got some, right here it's like some shoe cleaner things from like an old video, Cream City Kicks. Still got that, still can use it, it's really good. And then yeah, in case you all want some detail, Sprite Zero. This Bojangles, let's see if we got anything still in here. Yeah, we got a Biscuit, I'm part of a tender. 200 likes, and I will eat that. I don't even know how old it is. I will eat that old Biscuit, and on camera. I'll eat that old Biscuit and tender. I don't know. I don't really care how old it is, but I'll eat it to get 200 likes. So if you want to make me miserable, drop a like. And yeah, that's my desk. We got a monitor here too. I used to play like some Fortnite. I don't do that anymore, but this is really good for it. And like obviously, you know, PC right here if we want to do that, earbuds, all that. And we got a bunch of stickers here. Supreme Mona Lisa, Supreme Tentacles sticker, StockX, Supreme, Akira, Ganesh, Palace, and I think there's some under here, or there isn't, but that's just my desk. And we also got some fake ones right here. I don't know why, but that and that are just on my desk. But not to worry, that is not the only part of my room. Even though the desk is fairly interesting with the amount of food that is left on it. We also got some more food right there, but there you go, you know, not too interesting. My room is a mess. Yeah, Supreme sticker here, but look at all that. What? Oh, this is full. That'd have been bad if I'd spilled that. But I was trying to be funny, but look at, there's actually so many water bottles. Like, look at that. I usually keep my room organized. Like, I'm super strict with that, but just today, I don't know. I have to go to Tennessee. Also got a new hat. I don't know if you guys like it, like a polo hat here. Let me see it. Like, yeah, I like this polo hat. I think, you know, it goes half decent. I'm not really wearing it correctly, but like, you know, like, this ain't look bad. That ain't look bad. You know, like with a hoodie, like wearing the hat under it, like, I think it looked cool. But back to the room tour. That was a massive distraction, but, you know, polo. Does it look better with the light on or off? Yes, this way it looks way better with the light off, not gonna lie. But this is the Supreme Everlast mat, in case y'all are wondering. It is hung up on nails, if you guys can tell. Here, I'll try and get you guys really close to it. But there, see, like it's hung up on some nails there and there. And just look at the detail on it. This thing is pretty crazy. Like, I'm gonna do like a little shot for y'all right here. Like, look at this, like, there. See, that's pretty crazy, I'd say. But, you know, not trying to like boast, because that's like the most annoying thing in the world, I understand. But yeah, there's like the Everlast logo there. It's sort of like reflective, and that's pretty cool. And then I have sort of used this before, like in a video on the unboxing of it. And there's obviously the trademark R, which is, you know, very big. But this item's sick, not gonna lie. Yeah, it looks really good on the wall, especially like this color. Just, I think it fits nicely. And then also the door, which looks like a giant Hershey's bar. Just, you know, just give it a thumbs up. It all looks good. Yay. But we're not done. This is my bed. Yeah, I did make my bed for this video, but I didn't clean it. Clean my room. See, because of the mess. And now we're just chilling here. This video's probably not gonna have a lot of editing. It's just fun. I just want to make this video fun. It's chill. Just a little discussion, like one-on-one here. There's my pillow, and there's my phone. It's where I respond to DMs and comments, hate comments, all that. You know, that's where I do that. And my hair, it's looking bad now. My forehead is looking nice and exposed. My hair actually isn't that bad. I don't know why. It looks like cut off on the side and not cut off here. But looking at that, this is my bed. And then next up, right next to my bed, we got mess, more candy right there. Krispy Kreme donuts, which I didn't even eat. My friend just came to my house and ate my donuts. Pretty much relatable, but there's this sticker, and there's stickers all over. Like, look, this is all over the place, these stickers. I don't even know why, but. And then here's that view outside my house. In case y'all wondering, beautiful outside right now. Look at that, look at the sky. Here, I'll move this. Look at the sky right now. It's crazy clean. And you know what, it was like, I'll put up a clip because I was in the gas station yesterday. Like, it was raining so much, it was crazy, and like the rain was like flying around like mist. Like, I'll put the clip up now. So it was that yesterday. Houses and like trees were falling on houses. Everything was crazy, and today it's just good. It's chill. I don't get it. I don't understand it, but nature at its finest, you know. But moving on, next up on the dresser, just some more stickers here. Like, look, these are Air Max Day stickers. Of course, if you're a Hypebeast, and you like Air Maxes on that, just remember, Air Max Day is 326. Look at my nose, dude. So messed up. Just kidding. I'm playing around. I like my nose. It's not that messed up, but looking at 326 is Air Max Day, so keep that in mind. And then next up, we got the closet door with the Supreme sticker on it, and this is where I hold all my clothes. I'm gonna show y'all like a preview of like my clothes in my collection, or maybe I'll go over it. I'm not too sure. But yeah, let's get into that right now. All right, so I'm about to open the closet. Gotta turn on the light for this. But here's my closet. Not everything is hung up right now because some things are in the wash. Some things are obviously being packed for the trip I'm about to take to Tennessee, which is like a 5-hour drive. But you know, it's gonna be fun, I think. Hopefully I'll enjoy it. But looking at this, we got the off-white jacket here. This is a really nice jacket. It was like $300, I think. I got it for a good deal because it was like discounted and all that, so that's pretty sick. And obviously the tags, a lot of people like these, and these are actually really like pleasing, aesthetically pleasing. It's nice. But then, you know, just some more tees, some tees that don't fit me. Maybe I'll give away those. And like, we got this tee, this bedroom tee doesn't fit me. Bottle cap tee does not fit me, but they're both like never really worn. I mean, how would I know I fit them? I've tried them on once, but that's not gonna ruin them. And we got the Mike, this is just a vintage tee, Mike Kelly. And then 3 tees that would go here. I think the tees are missing are Mona Lisa, this tee, and the Ganesh tee, which I packed, I believe. So then we got some other tees, you know, from other brands have sent me. Or this is the Mona Lisa tee right here. I could have sworn I was wearing this yesterday, so I don't know why that's there. But yeah, there we go. And we got another tee. I guess I really am showing you all my collection. The umbrella, which I accidentally opened indoors on video. Y'all thought that was funny, but I don't really believe in that bad luck, so, you know, I ain't concerned. You know, bad luck is just, I don't know. I can't explain it. I didn't invent it. But then, you know, box and like all the accessories up there. I'm gonna try to show you all that. Like, look at that, all these accessories and all that, you know. Not trying to boast again, but like, there you go, palace bag and all that. So we got some variety up there, and I'm trying to put a bunch of accessories in the sled eventually. And we got the Versace ring, which is in this box, but I'll put that back up. And you know, hoodies, cost. This one, which I may be getting the matching brown and green one to go with, because I think that'd be dope. And you know, we got like a baseball signed, I don't know who. And then we got some Bear Brick like containers, and then we got a spring water bottle, which drinking water tastes so bad out of, but you know, it's fine. And also, y'all wonder if I had this spring bouncy ball. Look at that. I was pretty excited to get this, so I'll try and put it over my face so y'all can see that, but look at that. That's pretty sick, I'd say. And then crepe kiss slides. I am showing you all my collection. And that's a Supreme North Face headband. There you go. I'm trying to get the focus there, but Supreme North Face headband, pretty sick. And then I got a bunch of coins in this jar. I'm gonna put it over it. But that's where I put all my coins, is in this Supreme Hysteric Glamour mug. And then there. And like here, like over that, hopefully you guys get a good angle of that. Like, I can't see it, but like hopefully there's like some Bear Bricks and coins and stuff like that back there. But pretty cool. And that's really my room, you know, just everything there. Sneakers up here. Kyrie's maroon 6, 5. I don't know. I think it's maroon 6s, not 5. Maroon 5's a band, so that wouldn't make sense. But yeah, there's a bunch of sneakers in here too. Of course, the Air Max Day Air Maxes, which don't really fit me anymore. They're pretty weak too. But that's sort of like my full room. Hopefully this video was relaxing. I look blue right here, so I'm stand here. I'm blue. And yeah, just hopefully it's enjoyable. You know, you guys enjoyed something about it. And that's my main thing. I want my videos to be enjoyable, fun, and hopefully that's what I did in this video. The lighting looks good over here, so I'm gonna go back over here. It's just sort of cool, calm right here. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video and want more like this, just more like chill vlog videos like this, like it's not even technically a vlog, it's just like sort of set up like one. If you want more like this, let me know. Drop a like down below. And also subscribe too, and I'll be sure to do more videos like this. But I just want to say thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. It's sort of a thumbnail I could do here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. That's the thumbnail, I think. But yeah, you know, typical thing. And thank y'all for watching. Peace out.